Did you ever finish a painting and forget to clean out a brush? I mean, you might as well just throw it out in the garbage, right? Because that's like plastic on your bristles. It's not going to come out. Some artists like to use toxic chemicals like lacquer thinner or acetone, which is also nail polish remover. But I don't like using that stuff. It stinks. It's not very healthy. Luckily, I found this stuff years ago. It's called Easy Air Brush Cleaner. Doesn't smell like anything, and it works. I ruined a brush by, I purposely ruined it by dipping it in cerulean blue, and I let it dry for like a week. And after a week, acrylic paint is pretty much cured. It's not going to come out of the brush. But this stuff, if you let it soak in there overnight and you wash it out with soap and water, it'll totally remove it, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. This is the brush that I purposely destroyed with acrylic paint. These are the supplies that you'll need. I recommend wearing safety glasses because the brush cleaner is a mild eye irritant. You'll want to begin by adding a small amount of the brush cleaner to a container. Then add an equal amount of hot tap water. Soak the brush overnight or for at least 12 hours. Allow the excess brush cleaner to drain off the brush. The cleaner doesn't dissolve the paint, it just makes it softer. Use an old rag to start pulling away the old, soft acrylic paint. You may have to work at this for a while, and I find that an old toothbrush works well for removing the paint from between the bristles. You can also use your hands to pull apart bristles that are stuck together and to peel away chunks of paint. Once you feel like most of the paint is gone, wash it out with soap and water. Give the brush one final rinse, and if there are any stains left over, you can repeat the process. In this case, the brush looks pretty clean. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe.